Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, guys. Let's love. You know it's that morning. It's time to check out. It's time to go work. Like about.
You don't want to go.
You know I'm going home.
You want to stay for 1 more day and then we'll go on holiday.
So we're going to leave you alone then. You alone can stay. You alone?
Just give me money.
How you going to find your way home?
You just make some baby people on a bus.
Guys, no Cranberry, no the kids said no one go home at all. Nana, come Nana. They no one go home. Because they know they're going to leave all of this behind. You know, go back to the river life.
We don't want to go back on the river.
Go back to the river life.
Hey, you alright, baby?
Back to the river. Yes, guys, because listen, they got up really early this morning while I was sleeping, and they came to the pool already. You know, so they come.
Never come here, so.
Never come here, so.
No, it's the lock.
Oh, okay.
To the beach we go.
Like at the beach.
And when we are coming over, we say it's cool. So me alone in this night.
So guys, so they went by the beach. You know, because you know, pool is closed. Because they get up so early because they want to get the rest of it out of the way. Somebody told me to talk to Ango. You can charge each other. No, wait for charging. Hello. You should have back to that way. Can't do nothing there. Nana, you ready to go home? Nana? Ready to go home?
No.
Talk, you ready to go home? And the vex. And one of them vex. We have to go home, miss.
Why? Some
Guys,
people
the kids
stay 4 days and we can't go on.
The kids them vex, they don't want to go home. Look. Oh God, for them poor. Hush, Nana, hush. Don't cry, you know. Yeah, Nana? Nana, don't cry. But it's a good birthday gift though, okay?
Nana, we can pick up some cake.
Nana go miss the plate. Oh,
tell her,
Nana.
Tell her, say,
cry.
you know, say over there, so she get some plate where we can bring in a like the plate that we so we are still away.
Yeah, Nana will cry. Nana want
see my bag for pop, man.
Talk of vex. I charge it. No, they don't want to go home. They don't want to go home at all. Hush, so. Hush, Nana. Don't worry, you come back another time. Yeah, talker.
All who vex, they don't want to go home. I tell her alone when I see.
Nana. Alright. Then what can they? So we're going to make them go eat. Go make them eat.
And us.
Yeah. They go eat too? Alright, come make one go eat them.
Yeah, go eat.
Yeah, eat some. breakfast for me. So guys, so I'm having my breakfast, you know, because we're going to head out. So I never fancy what they got inside, so I fancy what they have outside.
Everywhere them here for them. Why? Why?
Baby, we did so much food. They're not gonna eat it off, you know? They're not eat it off. Why I always like take so much food, they're not gonna eat it off. I tell you, I always say, if you take so much food, you're not gonna eat it off. Tell her take a little bit. But insist. She think you can't eat it off. I told her. But I know it's an experience for them. You know, they're gonna see food when you try food, so even them say, let's take a little. Yeah. You don't want more than what them take because of food, you know. But knowing that they only can't eat what they can't eat, they're not gonna literally try to eat off everything, you know. So I used to do that as well when I'm a kid, so it's nothing new.
I think I got it, guys.
Gone left, you know?
No, that gone.
That gone where?
Somewhere. Okay. This one, I got 2 plates to come back.
I don't know what this.
Hmm?
I don't know what.
Oh, that's
Take when I meet them.
A fish.
The fish, and then I take some of my nuggets. Because I get all of them, and I take one of them.
because you feel in town.
Sauce man. The eyes is bigger than them belly. Because the eyes tell them say yes, take this, eat this, but they cannot manage it, you know? Go on.
And then we are going to that side thing. And we are going to so tell us, I get a bag, you know. They bring this out that's out and throw it now and put that so I do.
Pure bees. Alright guys, so yeah. Finish. That one they finished too. Ready for go home now? Time for go home, you ready now? Yes, of course. Yeah. So guys, you know the thing about first and foremost, you know, we have to really thank Dana D. You know, we thank you so much, you know, for your blessings, you know, thank you so much for this wonderful treat, you know, for the family. Trust me, it's really a blessing. We thank each and every one, guys, that send out their blessings, you know, them congrats to the family, you know, for this wonderful treat, you know, trust me, you know, they never expect this, you know, because they thought they was going somewhere else, you know, so this was a big surprise, you know, to all of you as well, to never expect they were going to get this blessing, you know, so even Dana D don't even know the extent of the blessing that she sent out as well, you know, because she don't even know what to do, but I know what she see in the video, she's like, oh my days, you know, so we thank her so much, you know, we met the family thank them as well too, so Chargy,
Yeah.
you know, how was your stay?
Yeah, it was well joyful, man. Well joyful. None of them I don't know, but this is all where I'm so appreciative to this way you do, so.
And you also have one donor, so you tell George, you say you must continue to smile, because she said at the first she see you really smile, so the smile come out. And she say, you tell him, man, she said, tell him because you have a nice smile, you continue to smile, you know. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man, so. Thank you.
Never full job myself to the extent, so. Then a day, only for thanks and thanks again.
Kenisha, so how was your stay here at the resort?
It was okay, and we take a look at the picture with the girl, even up on the slider, on the sea, on the pool to the sea. Thank you so much, Dana D, so much for making the girls enjoy themselves, eat, till them can't eat no more, till them have to dash you food, but thank you so much, and making food basket never empty.
So thank her, Dana, so thank Dana D.
Thank you for Dana D.
And what else?
And make your food basket never empty.
And make your food basket never empty.
Alright then, Toko. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? No? Alright, come thank Dana D. Tell Dana D.
Thank you, Dana D. And make your food basket never empty.
Nana. No, Nana not ready to go home. You ready to go home? You ready? Did you enjoy yourself? Yeah? You want to stay a couple more days?
One more day.
One more day?
3 days, you said.
A 3 day?
No.
It's 3 day.
No.
So thank Dana D.
Thank you, Dana D. Make your food basket.
You want to stay 4 days. Yes, today we need to go up and slide.
You say you've been there already, right? Come. So come thank Dana D. I hope
Thank
you
you,
have a wonderful
Dana
day.
D. Make sure you have a wonderful day.
So God bless you.
And God bless you.
Alright. But Chargy, last night, you know, we meet for one guest. You know, because we meet a lot of the viewers that are watching as well today. So today, and this US, so must give it to the family. You know, so that's part of the US there from the lady who met last night with her husband. So you can thank her.
So thanks again. I know what they say last time, she did say she well wanted to know a person like her. She had a long time
she watch.
Yeah, so
and
thanks again and continue watching. Yeah, thanks again.
Alright guys, so you know the thing goes. You know the thing goes, guys. This is sad part for them, you know, when they have to go home. You know, but it's sad that sometimes we have to go. Sometimes some good things have to come to a closure. Not to an end, you know, but to a closure. You know, to greater things to come. So hopefully next time, you know, things go good. So Dana D, did it yourself, you know, so I'm going to go get the car, to come back and everything, and pick them up. You know, the thing goes already. So I'm going to give this to a Bela, you know.
Right there. And then, running for that.
I shot the sheriff. Huh?
The elevator.
Elevator. Wipe up your mouth, Cranberry.
Why?
You asked me why. I tell you to wipe up your mouth.
No,
You asked me. You said why. That's what you said.
Alright, Daddy. But also why? I don't know.
No, why? Once me tell you to wipe up your mouth, there's a reason.
Huh?
You go ask why. don't need any elevator.
Antica se vuole.
Time for to go home now. Home sweet home. Back to the river.
We have to get that.
Back to the river. You can't go swim out. You don't want again now.
No. I'm going to go up there and tell them I'll swim with them.
Back to the river.
Yeah, I'm not afraid.
Trust me. Trust me, they have a wonderful time. Then, you know when they reach, they're going to have some good sleep. Because we're going to also need that sleep, right? Sleep, I don't need it for them. I'm telling you that, guys. Why? It was non-stop with them. The water, they literally never come out the water like once yesterday. Literally for the water all day. I even went to sleep, you know, wake up, they're still in the water. You look for them eyes red, they need the chlorine in the water. So, just gonna get the car now and head out. Hello. You okay?
If it's straight in the bottom, tell me about me.
Face not strange, though. Nah, pick up. Where's Sonia?
Inside.
Yeah, make sure remind you. Make sure remind you.
Kino.
Yeah. Go on. Alright. It's been a while.
Yeah, man. They're calling you, you know.
Yeah. It's been a while, man, you know. How you been doing?
Why not too bad, you know.
Too bad. I go and roll up. Hello, miss.
Morning.
I'm passing through.
You remember how?
Yes.
Hello.
Remember how?
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm good. I would pass by. I'm saying, no, I'm have to stop
Okay.
and say how you doing, you know? It's been a while.
Good while.
Been a while. Alright, guys, remember, this is Sonia right here, you know, and our husband, you know, right here. You know, from them long time that was staying down here, will come and, you know, give us some assistance. And also, Oliver and Carla, the pass, and give them some helping and as well, too, you know. So it's been a while, so I'm glad I could pass by to check up and see how is everything doing, you know. Because I know so down here, the struggle is really seeing me.
Oh boy. It's so hard.
I know.
I'm not doing so well from the other day.
Eh?
I'm not doing so well from the other day.
Are you not doing so well?
No, because the doctor said me to have to do a surgery.
Are you doing surgery? What happened?
It won't be fun now because they send me out to do another test again.
Yeah? What happened?
There's a mass at my side.
Oh, a mass?
And they say that I have to go take it out.
Oh. So them give you a long date?
They give me to go and do another test and to coming back September.
Okay.
And after that,
So it make you feel any type of way?
yeah,
Like?
pain and low feeling.
Oh.
Sometimes I have to lay down to
Get some rest. So a long time this start to affect you?
It's about 2-3 years now, but I wasn't paying it any mind because, you know, but then it's getting worse.
Yeah.
Putting me to bed sometimes.
The pain? Wow. So yeah, them give you painkillers for that?
No, you know, because I'm still doing certain.
Then what is this?
Yeah.
Wow. Tough. Tough. Guinness. Guinness.
Yeah, Guinness is on the tree.
Then already. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I can't eat.
Oh, is that in your yard or over next yard?
But from that side, but it hang over here.
Okay. Yeah. So your potato farm?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm okay.
you're pretty.
Her name is Cranberry.
Oh, Cranberry.
See, you must have, you know.
Cranberry juice, you know.
So, Pops is old enough to still with him health-wise.
Why not
Good?
you?
Yeah.
He's better than I am.
Yeah? You go strong?
Because for the longest while, I haven't taken him because of my problem. I haven't taken him to the doctor, but make an appointment for him for Monday coming.
Oh, Monday coming.
Yeah, I'm going to take him to the clinic.
Okay. Yeah, well, I'm glad I could have passed by, you know.
Yes.
I'm blessed with her as well, you know. I know the struggle is really around the same way.
Yeah.
You know, the struggle is real.
Clean.
In terms of pass through, Oliver. Yeah, Oliver and Carla, then tell me saying.
Good while, I'm not seeing him. Thank you.
In terms of pass through, man, Oliver and Carla, you know. Yeah, man, say, you know, once him must send him blessings same way.
Yeah.
You know, I said he must stay safe. You know, once
And he's okay?
Yeah, man, him good. You know, once him pass back this side, him definitely gonna check you again for sure. You know, definitely for sure, man.
There's someone here, bubble out.
Oh, yeah, chef.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, chef. Some.
Most Barbadov, I see over here one. Most Barbadov.
Chef, I cook with Barbie Dove
See
inside.
them there? Yeah,
Dog
pick
went
some
in
there.
there sometime ago and eat out 20 out of them.
Oh, the 20 of them? They let them out?
No, the dog tear down the cook the night.
You say dog kill them? Yeah.
But I have them in 2 parts, so he tear down one side and get rid of those. And then he came back the other night. Have a look out for him.
Stranger dog. Him kill them.
Kill them and suck them out. Some of them fly out in the night and then... But I didn't hear.
Oh, you never there?
I was here, but...
He'd asleep. Oh, so hours a night him do
hours
it.
a night, up in the 12 o'clock.
Well, she said about 20 of them in there and the dog come and
Yeah.
tear down the... Never know the dog eat Barbie Dove.
Yeah, man. Dog and cat. And rat.
All rat.
And the rat.
Mongoose.
Mongoose. Me know mongoose deadly them way there.
White one and then most of them brown and that.
Yeah, me know the mongoose them deadly them way there boy.
Yeah, you see them up so you know, like how you see them just knock down.
Yeah.
You must see the pedo white wing also. You know, I see the Barbadov them up so.
And you so with the full of a pure potato, you know.
But I can't get anybody to help me.
Can't no one to help you.
Nobody don't come. They promise, but they don't come.
They don't come. When I time I come, I'll take out some.
From out of the mall there, so come straight.
From the, yeah, man. You tell someone come around here with a helper one at time and I take out potato, man. You're so full of potato, go right back.
You got potato out of it?
Yeah. I did get potato because I was staying right over there, so I get potato as well too. You know, and go cook. Yeah, man, nice.
I love them style, man, so it's munch up and look soft.
Wow. I like Ilya. We get enough out of this, yeah. We get enough out of that in there. Aye. Mango tree done.
Yes, we have 3 crops. And it was just the last finishing there now.
I wish mango them there. Oh, stringy. And I hear a tree there.
Yeah, man, I'm a tree.
Oh, half of this? Okay.
Stringy mango.
Are you pick them and put them down?
I drop them down.
Put them jam. Well, I don't like stringy chopping in your teeth too much.
Yeah, much of that anymore now.
What the teeth, netty? Yeah.
Not here like first time.
And them beer different now.
Can if you want?
Yeah, Daddy. Oh, yeah, Daddy. You're not hot.
Let me see if I get some.
What do you know?
The cold are you at, you're confused. You're confused.
Oh, we are going to AC.
The cold are you at, which one of them? Can you say you're cold?
Cool.
See cherry there, now eat cherry.
Where?
See cherry tree there?
Yeah,
Eh?
cherry.
You make so sweet again? Because them is sweet one time, remember how to pick some and make juice.
Right.
That's cherry.
A cherry for real?
Never pick the redder one them. You know sweet?
Look a bit.
But yes, it look like it.
Sour.
Sour? But them used to sweet. Alright, I'm trying them the redder ones. Try this one.
Yeah, try the red of Monday.
Try.
Yeah, get that.
Sweet better? That's sweet. Yeah?
Wow.
You want that sweet?
Wow, more.
And I forget the redder ones. Get the one that red.
Like this?
Yeah, like those ones.
Hey, sister.
No, there's one there.
This look like something.
Some more, yeah.
Like this?
Redder than that. Yeah, like these ones. cherry tree, some cherry juice. Whee.
Daddy, which one you want?
This one.
Take it, look, take it.
Oliver.
Take one.
No, my church one.
The church one. But there, I don't remember his name. When they come look for you, right? Yeah, I don't remember his name.
You call your name, you call your name.
Call my name all the time. No. Yes, guys. So
Couldn't find a number now.
couldn't find my number. Oh, she changed her phone.
And keep the phone.
Keep the phone. Oh wow. You know, guys. This is a family that I was giving assistance as well to. And a lot of the viewers them I also was giving her assistance as well too, you know, because the last time I gave the contact number for her, but they could contact her, you know, and if they could send a blessings towards this family because they're going through a rough time here, she and her husband. It's a food for the poor house right there, you know, so if they really on anything, you know, they're doing it for themselves. So the last time they meet her walking, I see that she was straight, her mind was far away, you know, and I stopped her. And then I gave her buy some groceries for her, and then gave her some blessings, and then walk her to home and noticed that she was close to where I was staying, you know. So, you know, I gave out her number and, you know, and the social media and the YouTube here, and other people call and, you know, give her some assistance, you know. But so that's been a while, you know, so I'm going to give her a contact number, you know, so you guys can literally give her a call if you feel to send her some assistance, you know, any blessings they can, you know, because it's only she and her husband here, you know, in the food for the poor. So, yeah, man, so that's what's gonna happen.
She got one more again, you know.
Okay, I'm gonna get her number. Sweet stuff.
Sweet stuff. They must say, them something to eat. Wow, I should have a time I can reach all of them one, you know.
Sonia, so you know your contact number for your head?
It is, it's 42.
You don't remember it? You have it right down?
Yes, I have it right down. My husband can tell you too.
Okay, so I'm make you.
Him do most of the remembrance.
Yeah?
I have no taste, no smell, and no remembrance.
Oh, yeah, you have no taste?
No taste,
No smell, no remembrance.
Remembrance gone.
I don't have no taste. When I eat it, don't taste nothing.
The only thing I can taste is salt and sugar.
Is it?
Nothing else. The pot, not taste good, I don't know.
And you cannot smell neither?
I can't smell nothing. Stand up over the pot and it's burning and I can't smell it.
And you don't wow. When this happened? This never happened the last time I saw you?
No, it was going but slowly. But now it's completely gone.
Gone.
But the thing is, the good thing about it is that when I went to the doctor,
You have a bag, you can put it in one bag for them. Just you know, I'm going to put it in one bag for you.
No, Kishi.
I'll carry it for it.
Get a bag and put it in one bag.
Yeah.
You are a friend now.
When I went to the doctor last time, and they were questioning and asking me if I had sugar and if I had diabetes and high blood pressure. I said, no. I said, at your age?
Yeah.
I said, yes. So they were saying it. That was good.
Yeah.
And it's the first that I've seen one.
But that one is quite shocking though.
It is.
The taste and the smell.
I don't have none of that. Because I'm inside the house and I have the pot on the fire and don't remember that the pot is on the fire. And the fire the pot burn, I don't smell it.
Wow.
You know, and
so
there's
they explain that to them when you go?
yeah, but there's nothing can be done.
So what have you?
I think that they say that is one of the age.
Age?
74. 74 now.
They always want to use age. You know, when there's no such thing as no age. Them just don't know what to do. You know, that's why I'm telling you sometimes these doctors, they don't know what they're doing. They're the one that kill off the patient them quick and fast as well. They're telling about age. There's no such thing about the age. It's not your age. Yeah, because you're still trying to see them here. There's other people who are your age, still have them smell, still can't remember, and still have them taste. Exactly, and older than you. So you know what the matter. That's the latest excuse them could really say about age.
Yeah.
Them should have come up with something better to say that. You know. Yeah. So what am I gonna do? So guys, so what am I gonna do? I'm going to leave her contact number, you know, I'm going to see the contact number coming across the screen. Her name is Sonia, you know, and you can feel free to give her a call, you know, in any information, any assistance you can assist her with, you know. Sometimes you can call, you know, give her prayer, you know, give her blessings if you can see me, because so she's here in Runaway Bay, you know, so it's far away from me, so I cannot be able to come down here to give the assistance that I would really want to, you know. So if you want, you can call her. She can go Western Union as well. She can go MoneyGram. You know, anything you can help her with, you know, we really appreciate that. We thank you so much. You know, but you can just give her a call. You know, please, you can call and pray for her. You know, give her wisdom, give some knowledge, you know, some understanding of what she's going through. You know, because it's just only she and her husband here. They got nothing, no benefit, nothing at all coming in. They're living here in a food for the poor house, and this is where they survive from, you know, anything they can get on the land. You know, because she used to plant a lot of sweet potato and everything, but she don't have the help to do it anymore, you know. And, you know, she have a apple tree in the yard where them feed off as well to banana tree and start shoot as it, you know. So this is the day-to-day survival, you know. So, Sonia, let me make your husband come set the number.
Yes.
When you come, see her for the chest. And I make you put on a bag for them to bring it on.
Yeah.
You say, you can remember, you know the number for your end?
277 48 22.
Says 277 48 22. And that's a correct number, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, 1876. Yeah, make it 1876.
Right, that's
Yeah.
the code number.
Yeah, I'm getting the whole number again.
277 48 22.
Okay. So you are the long remembrance. Them say you can remember forever. You say you can remember forever and ever, you know. Yeah, man. So we're glad we could have passed through, you know.
Yes, please.
So whenever we have passed this side.
Glad
You
to
know.
see you, man.
Yeah, man, I'm glad as well, man. It's been a while, you know. I start always at my mind, so whenever I pass this side, I have to stop. You know, so soon I was driving past me, like, oh, Sonia, you know. I could have passed this time and never come check, for sure, you know. What happened to her? Yes, man. I'm gonna leave the baby. Toko, how will you get that? Cherry tree has scratched me through. I stretch my hand in it. Yeah. Well, you know cherry tree is scratched, guys. I'm gonna stretch my hand overnight. And trust me, it has scratched me. Scratch me out. Yeah, guys, so as I say, we'll just make a stop on the journey, you know, so you know we're going to continue our journey back. You know, I'm going to say, please, you know, in anything at all you can do, you know, in anything you can bless them with, if you can, you know, begging you, please, they can reach out, you can bless them, you know, so they can buy food, buy groceries, you know, so that's all they literally need, those food, you know, in the assistance, because they always at home here, you know, so anything you can bless them with, we appreciate it, you know, so I just give them a blessing, you know, for that can buy them some groceries and stuff, so anything you can bless them with, we appreciate it, and we thank you so much, you know, for your blessing. So, you know, we're going to head out as well right now, back on our journey, because you know our journey have to continue, so, yeah, man, guys, so, We are here in Salem. This is called Salem.
No matter. No matter.
The back of water.
Show them, show them.
Look. Yeah, all of
Alright then.
Nana, take it off.
You know,
Yeah, all of
water.
them packed there. We are not.
The water
Take
you
it off back, Nana.
Can I get some?
Tea.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see, the Sakira we are born.
Ready.
Talk about me lip.
You mean she boss your lip?
Show me how to catch the baby cat. Them she don't want me see you.
Gosh. So now we gotta run now.
Okay.
Charge it. We took her, we gotta run now, yeah?
Thanks for your time.
Yeah man, you know it goes already.
Your interest.
You know whenever I pass again I'll definitely come check you.
Yes, okay.
Yeah?
Okay,
That's
bro.
one I was strongest. So we can buy some grace with that, yeah?
Okay.
Some food to cook. Yeah, so I'm put out the number so that we know if anyone give you a car, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah man. See the class there.
What
to
Please, I'm fine.
Later. Tara, you're not going to walk me, Tara. Now go back and I walk us through.
Yeah, town we are head to. Heading a town now. Straight in a town. Uncle,
Yes, keen.
take it easy, yeah?
Okay,
Yeah, man. Sonia, more love, yeah?
Thanks.
Alright, then.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're going to head back on the road. So. Yeah, man, thanks.
Yo, nobody eating a Guinness and I can. No, mama.
Nana. Come on, baby.
Let's go for that.
You're home now. Back home. Nana. Home sweet home. Home sweet home, Nana. Don't put the cherry on your clothes. Look on the bag. Turn it.
Cranberry, I must have cranberry.
Come on.
Yeah.
You cranberry?
Right there.
We never walk this way. This one more easier.
Look on this one.
Give me bag.
Come on. Come on. Like it.
Reach Nana. Poor Nana is old. Tara, come. Come on, Tara. Body looks stressed. Well, them look stressed like they don't want to go. They don't want to come home. Oh, well, I make them live there. No. No, sir. They're going to remember that for the rest of them life. How does it feel to be back home, Cranberry? Cranberry. 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 And as if I don't want to cry, if I go cry, you can put your head on the pillow and just cry on the pillow. Yeah? It's not bad in the area. It's not bad in the area, ball. See, I miss home. You're back home, man. I miss home. Come, Nana. Like you know want to reach home to Nana. Alright, come, I'll go back. You ready? I'll go back for another day and come back. Wait a second, ready? Come then. Come. Come, we're going to go back for another day, okay? Nana, you're serious or come? Don't worry, man. You know when it's gonna nice, when you watch it on YouTube, then you're gonna see it. Yeah? Stop back up, man, and go on, so man. Stop it, man. Oh, man. At least you have fun, right? Also, I already said it in the video, and I'm saying, yo, they're gonna feel it when they come home. The charge, remember that me I tell you, I say, yo, wait till when they go home. Yeah. At them time, they go feel it. Yeah, but it's not only them alone, it happened to adults as well, too. It happened to me when I go. Alright, see, we said I want the next 2 days. Of course. I saw me the feel when I go home. I say, Alva, call me and say, yo, I come back for another 2 days or day. Cheer up, yeah? Look, you're back in paradise. The river. This is the paradise. Right? You're back in paradise, man. There, Nana. Coco. You're back in paradise. Yeah, this is the paradise. So they're back home where it all started from.
What now?
Behave now. They're back in paradise where it all started. Come, Tara. Come on. Guys, it was really tough for them. Like, these steps home for them right now feel like, I don't even know, because trust me, they didn't want to come home at all. They never ever, they don't want to come home. So, just imagine now. Look where you're going, Tara. Go on, no, me I come. I'm not gone. Go on. Back in them paradise. This is their paradise. Tara. More than a conqueror. Yeah. I walk you feel like the longest walk they make. And some slow walk. Usually them kids they run up them hill a long time and reach. Now we'll have back. Fly out and fly in.
Yeah, one day I'm supposed to know where you put it.
Wow.
The key.
Can't find the key.
I suppose one of them alone will it bring.
What kind of key this? Oh. Nana, see a medal. The medal. You don't want it anymore.
Now go them one sit down here.
They're looking for the key. They're looking for the key, guys. They don't know where they put it. Where you put it on the side of the bag?
Yeah.
Back in the paradise. You know, the real paradise. The Miami paradise.
I'm going to just put it on and try to
Cook food.
No, them there in the fridge, we put them.
Red chicken.
They're going to get some bone. I cook them. Them things are easy, you know.
No.
This one I feed me.
Vamos, nada.
Cranberry using the cranberry. Oh, the beer in the fridge.
So they better zip part and put the key down.
I see you fast.
Come inside.
Take it out already.
You know this? It's not in that bag.
Give me other bag, George. Give me the brown bag there.
Yeah, from there, that I mean, call back there and tell us, yeah, so we have a put up people job. And the kids in this one, you know, bag lock, that's a lock up my bag long time.
What's that about?
Cranberry.
ice cream one.
Nana. What do we see the rest of the hour?
Daddy, I'm going to take a board and shoot now. I'm not in this one.
So in a bag it there.
Yeah. But two, we take out the whole of the some of them and put them in a jar. Wherever we are. We have to chop it up out.
What?
I mix up few everything. Let me put them on to the fire and each one to the let us look at the news
Them definitely never want to go. Because the key cannot find, so that means they don't want to go inside of the house kind of stuff. Looking for the key.
Nana.
Nana? What's your reach? What's your reaching?
Back door never bowl.
Back door never lock?
No.
Yeah.
I got savior. You know, Kina?
The back door never lock? Excuse. Check. Check if nothing missing. Nothing missing. Nothing missing. So the back door just push up.
Just never bowl.
Go and ask, look at this, if she come for you, because they will come for you.
Voilà.
I think if them see you, they want to make him see you.
Chat.
Yeah, go and ask.
You don't get what to find.
Okay. It's a good thing it never locked. So you have spare key, Georgie?
Yeah, chair then they go a 3 key door and come in there now.
Yes,
and
yeah.
one them they can just put a single key. When I'm a 3 them come in.
Oh, so but you have two spare different?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Where food them there. White nose remove everything in them.
Tara, come out of the food bag.
Give me a Tara.
Tara with the food bag.
Come in, Sonia. Come in.
There.
Come put the bag in.
Incident.
Tap on something now.
Who put on to that?
I buy something that way you put that food.
Come.
No, them come to me.
But you know, this. Are you
Bet you know I'm inside bag.
How can you show me Sonia? What the next thing, Cylinder?
It was a good experience, you know?
Yeah, nice journey.
I would think I will for journey. But we are going over way for journey then.
So when you come back now, for journey.
Yeah, we reach. Ali guy.
Yeah.
So we are asleep.
Who you asleep?
You never asleep when you come.
One of them there.
Look a bit.
Oh, I see.
Me never asleep. I want to sleep. Me lie down when you react. Turn. And see when you turn again. Me I want
You are asleep.
Not even know, say.
You were sleeping there.
Oh, me see when it's something why.
When you see when we are wipe.
Jesus, Father. You know, say never look around. I come there right and so act like this and you something with it. And you hold it so.
What was so?
There's something with the on top where you lie down.
Mister. Yes, guys, I know the thing goes already, so it's my time to go head home. You know, get myself some relaxing time, you know, rest. and little things then we can get her sleeping on the day. You know, it was a bit journey, you know, it was raining a bit as well to come in and everything. So we here we reach safe, we give thanks to the Almighty, we thank him for the safe journey, you know, upon arrival, and everyone is safe go and everyone is safe back, you know, so we give thanks to that, and we thank you guys so much for the blessings. So anyway, I think it was a home sweet home for me, you know, leave Cranberry them on them journey now. You know, it's my time to go home, so they never want to reach home, but they will have to come home. And she probably find a different house where she get food because she won't bad number there. And she improperly there for cook. So she probably gonna find a different spot.
Daddy, is she not there a boomer?
You leave her food in the floor, you know.
Mine she turn over there. No, Daddy, mine she turn over there, so you know. All over there, so she can't go if you never know, yeah?
She have come find that cat when she come and see you, she have reached.
She probably don't want different time, man. Later she pop by, because two she don't see nobody, so she said, alright, no one is home.
You have one big pretty ones already, and I got you see got spend about a week, and you see and come back and dog me and the cat.
Yeah, cat.
Through them in the yard, they used to the dog.
Yeah.
The dog cannot trouble them, so more times she go you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Try do it to the same dog, go lie down side them and play with them when them not go do that.
Yeah.
I should go with them on you.
Yes, sir.
Other dog would just rip her up. Tara in a chicken.
To kill the food. The dog want to eat all the
Tara in a chicken leg.
I'm going up a sister.
So Jay shot them there.
Charge him, I run go in, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Love again, brother, man. This is a joy way. Can't forgotten, you know.
No, memories, you know.
Can't forgotten, brother, man.
It look like a fire and I go and come back and look fresh.
Hey, yeah, me
Look like it's all brown. Come on, get all brown too. Like a fire and I go and come back, man. That they need, you know.
Yeah.
Cause that Dana say yo, him work hard and everything.
Dana there. Maximum respect again, man. Maximum love again, man.
Just a kid and want to get him out, you see me, because he work a lot. He just want to get a break somewhere, man. The kids them. Yeah, man, you see me.
Good. I don't know what.
And all because she see you always at work, you never stop. Even when you're sick, you still at work, see me. So she said, alright, you know, I need to get the father a break. You know? So the kids them can go along. So then you know thing go big up yourself,
yeah,
man.
More big up again.
Yeah, so refresh him right now, you know.
The fullest than a day.
Mm-hmm.
You got always be by your side and be good all the while.
Yeah. Michelle say must continue smile, see me, because enough of them say the first say charge smile. Yeah. They look for just for laugh much less. They not get none of that. Yeah. They don't get none of that in general, you see me? So we can just like a come back now, the bad jungle do not work. Just lay back a little bit and go on, make it go on, resonate back, you know? Before you touch anything. Because it's still I go feel like they see you, you know?
My tell us this can't come out of it, but can't come out of them.
Still I go
even pick them.
Yeah.
I know them are going to be right true.
Wait no man, and when them watch the video, and you go see it now, you see me? And go see everything. Yeah, later I just put on the TV so them can watch it.
Yeah.
You know, and them relax and see themselves. And know them are going to miss it more and see the pool and
when
everything.
When they see what they do
What? Oh, it's a blessing, man, you know. That not did. Big up yourself, you know. You did it, you know. Trust me. And everyone is, yeah, man. Yes, man, the Almighty, you know. I will always give our glories to the Almighty, you know. Yeah, cool, man. The journey, I must say, many have been doing a long time we are doing it, and, you know. And yes, that's part of the destination and the journey. You know, because we're in a journey, so move from destination to next. You know, so here is just one of them. You know. So, Chargy, we catch up, yeah?
Alright, and guidance.
Yeah, man. High five. High five. High five, Tara. I want to follow me like we are twin. You follow me for. We can watch me so. So watch me so. Nana.
I'm turn up a food like that.
Open eyes.
I'm not for that.
What do you mean? Why?
We don't want to look here.
Nana.
Where you come from?
High five. Nobody has load them on, no?
So what do your friend them? Okay, Charlie. So what do your friend them beat me up in a key and need to help me. Papa. Some of them must. What's happening from now? I don't know. I'm just about to get a side. But here, she said she had to back over my ear. No,
you don't have to follow me all the way. Just follow me right at the river, yes, and turn back. Yes, yes.
Why?
That must say.
Why?
Don't ask me why.
Eh?
No, ask me any why.
I see that tire.
Allah, la, la. Don't ask me why. You're going to stop right at the river yourself.
Hey. Where go one call me, Makina?
Oh, call her, man. Bye-bye, Tara. See you later.
Bye-bye. Tara, bye-bye. Too shy. Safe journey, Daddy.
Alright, then take care.
After reach one, me a call her.
Yeah, man.
Reach one, call me.
Alright. More than a conqueror. Yes, guys, I know everything goes already, so home sweet home. We're going to relax for a bit, you know, take in, you know, Ghana the blessings to you as well. So, guys, remember, please, you know, if you always put the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, I think there's nothing but love and love alone, you know. And our journey, we give thanks to the Most High. Whoa, it's a journey. Send me a thing of peace, dream team, one team. And you know it's the only real team. Blessed Lord. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.